So today, guys, we're gonna taste the Dubai Chewy cookie. Baby Lexi is here. Oi, this is not for you. No, no. Nako sa kamera. Nasukog ikan chawan. So first, guys, it's humot kukwa. So, I'm gonna gibay sa Australia, guys. Pait ka din eh. Okay lang. Medyo ingin nga. Wow. Marshmallow, di ba ne? May salad, guys. May itong baba eh.